At rupees 20 lakhs, this could be a viable option for those of you who's looking for a new compact SUV after the highly popular Hyundai Creta. The badass of all SUVs, the Kia Seltos, has built its reputation over the years and has its own fan following. And to keep it more relevant to the Indian consumer, the South Korean automaker recently gave it a facelift. Let us take a closer look. As you can see, the front has been altered quite a bit. For example, this tiger nose grille, which is the company's best unique selling point for the vehicle, it has now become bolder and been stretched towards the lower half. It also provides a front camera. The LED DRLs, for instance, have been stretched more towards the inward to provide it a distinctive look, while the front bumper has also got a few updates in the form of these refreshed fog lamp clusters, which are more vertical and compressed. You also get this radar technology in the form of level 2 ADAS function and the skid plate, which overall gives it a very bushed and a muscular and sporty look. The side profile, as you can see, remains more or less the same. What it does provide are the sporty looking 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. In comparison to the front profile of the vehicle, this is where majority of the action is taking place in terms of the design refreshment. For instance, the newly refreshed tail lamp clusters, which provide this LED light bar running right across, give it a sporty look. You also get a refreshed bumper that houses this rear diffuser and dual exhaust tips that provide it a sporty look. On the whole, the rear profile is much more good to look at in comparison to its predecessor. Since this is the GT line, it features an all black interior with white inserts. As you can see, the dashboard layout is pretty fresh in comparison to the outgoing version. What you get to see here are these dual 10.25-inch screens that feature one infotainment unit and the other one is for the instrument cluster. Now, when I talk about the AC controls, this particular unit that you see here, it offers a fresh design. Therefore, it features dual climate control and other functions such as for the infotainment unit as well as for the AC controls. You also get a circular dial that is there for different drive modes as well as traction modes, including mud, snow and sand. As we tend to spend a lot of our time in our vehicles, it's an important aspect to talk about the comfort. As you can see, since this is the GT line, you get perforated seats. The seats themselves offer a lot of comfort. You also get the GT line inscribed on the lumbar support. The lumbar support is also very good in terms of holding you in the seat while driving or being seated on the side or towards the rear. Now that we are seated at the rear section of this vehicle, the only addition that you get to see here are these sun blinds, which make the cabin look plush and premium. Rest more or less, this section remains unchanged. What you get to see here are the same perforated seats that offer ample of comfort. There is ample of leg, shoulder and headroom. You also get to see these two C-type charging ports which can be used to charge your phone for the added convenience. So how is it to drive? For starters, I really like the seating position as it gives a great view of the road ahead. It comes equipped with the tried and tested 1.5 litre turbocharged petrol engine that is capable of delivering 158 bhp with 253 Nm of peak torque. The 7-speed DCT transmission also helps its cause as it gives out smooth shifts. Like I said earlier, there are 3 different driving modes on offer, comprising of Eco, Comfort and Sport. In Eco mode, the car remains more or less subdued, while in Comfort it goes about doing its own thing. It is in Sports mode that you can really enjoy the powertrain and the transmission. As for its ride quality, it is fairly decent and the handling will also not disappoint you either. So, Is the Kia Seltos facelift worth your while? Well, frankly saying, having driven it for quite some time and having spent a lot of time with the vehicle itself, from the design perspective, the design elements and the refreshments given to it add substantial amount of character, while the comfort does not disappoint either. Since we spend a lot of time inside our cars, the cabin is something that will not disappoint you. The infotainment system is intuitive, while the sound system is superb, provides great quality sound and will make each and every drive enjoyable. The 1.5 litre petrol engine does not disappoint either with its performance given the power figures that it can hand out. The 7-speed DCT also provides smooth shifts. At the end of the day, given that this is a Creta competitor, it is not less than anything that will not put a smile on your face each time that you are behind the wheel and set out with your family. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. नई कार हम है ना यार.